My father was here at Southland Orthopedics. He was one of the founders, way back 50 years ago. So I've been around orthopedics my whole life, especially sports medicine. He was out at Notre Dame for 37 years. So, I was exposed to orthopedics and sports medicine at a very early age. I'm Mike Yergler, board certified in general orthopedics, but also subspecialty board certified in sports medicine. I started Southland Orthopedics in August of 2001. So it's been, I finished 22 years, started my career here, and I've been here ever since. So my specialty is orthopedics with a subspecialty in sports medicine. A lot of specialties, you can't really fix anything. Like if you treat diabetes and other diseases, you can make people better, but you can never really solve the problem. Whereas in orthopedics, there's finality to most of these issues. If something's broken, you fix it. If it's torn, you fix it. Things heal and you ultimately have a solution and they move on. I grew up in this community. I've been here, except when I was gone for school all those years. I'm from here, I'm gonna retire here. We do a lot of things for the community. Just as a group at Southland Orthopedics, there's just a list of stuff that I think being in this community are just automatic. Every year, the homeless shelter, the Logan Center, the Boys and Girls Clubs, we're the #1 supporter of these events. We meet people usually when they're having a bad day. They come in with a problem, whether it be a shoulder, hip, or knee. And when you just finally see them that last time, I'm like, come back if you ever need anything. You're 100% cleared and you release them and you don't see them again. That's what's rewarding.